LeetCode Problem 217 contains duplicate. So this problem basically gives us an integer array, nums, and we need to return true if there's any value inside that array that appears at least twice. Otherwise, we return false. So I have two approaches to this problem. So my first approach is to sort the list, and then using a for loop, I iterate through each number and compare the number against the number next to it to see whether they are the same, and if they are, I just return true. So for example, let's say the list looks like this: 1 2 3 1. When it's sorted, it will be 1 1 2 3. And in this for loop, it will check this number against this number, and since they are the same, it will return true. But let's say if this were to be 4, then the sorted list will look like this. And since there are no number that is identical, it will loop through the list and return false. My other approach is to use a map, and this map will basically it will just put in the number in the list as key. So what I mean by that is, let's say this is the map, for example, and I have a list that looks like this. Okay, then the map will have 1, and the value is 1 since there's only 1 so far. 2 1 3 1. Okay, and on the fourth one, and since in map there is no duplicate key, every key is unique, the value will just increase. Or in this case, I check, and since it already exists, right? So here, if it's equals to 1, then it will return true, right? It means this number has already appeared before, right? Return true. If let's say this is 4, then you will just continue on and add this as the fourth key. And then you'll iterate through the list, finish iterating through the list, and return false. That's all I have to show. Thanks.